Is it filming?
We're filming.
Oh, here we go. We're going for a bike ride through, what island are we on? Greece?
Nisyros.
With our little scooter. And you can pretty much go wherever you want. They don't seem to care. So we're going to do a little flip of our tour through town. It's very nice. We just had lunch here.
And it was just packed with tourists, but they've all left on the ferry, so now
It's oddly empty now.
we own the town.
We came through here before and there were people everywhere scattering as we rode through. Here we go. We just had a really cheap lunch and now we are going to head back towards the boat possibly. Very nice here in Greece. What do you got to add, Amy?
It's very nice here. It's very pretty. All the whitewashed houses and the blue doors and shutters and beautiful flowers.
I think everybody's...
I want to show everybody at home the onions and garlic hanging from the balconies too.
Here we go. I think everybody's in siesta. We're probably waking them up, which is okay.
Probably.
We just rode this beast all the way up a volcano. Whoa. We got traffic. Alright, here we go. Continuing on. Run, kitty. Okay, here we go.
Okay, if you look up there in the balcony, you can see the onions and garlic.
You gotta look quick. Whoa.
Okay.
Whoa.
Don't slow down.
Sorry if there's any wind on the camera. It's not our speed, that's for sure. You wouldn't want to have a car in this town.
No. This morning we rode up and saw the crater, the actual volcano.
Uh-oh. Really? Okay, we're going right. We don't know what we're getting into. Alright, we're back.
Oh yeah, I want to show everybody these pretty cobblestones. In the street
yeah.
there. Look at that, isn't that pretty?
Isn't that pretty? Oh, here we go. Uh-oh. It's getting right in there when you're... I'm not sure we're supposed to be going this way.
Oh no, there's steps. Uh-oh, we better stop.
I think I gotta turn this thing around.